So, good morning, friends. This is again Dr. C.H. Kiran Kumar dealing you the machine learning part. Now we are under unit number 3, chapter number 5 called tree models. Tree models. So, this is the third class. In the previous class, we learned what is called a decision tree, some basic definitions of by what is a binary tree, what is a leaf node, what is node and all. Now, we have now again taken the same example of the book, gills, beak, length and teeth. Now we assumed we have taken some assumptions as homogeneous of D gives. If I use this is a function, we send D as input to this function, it gives us whether it is homogeneous or not. So we are not checking, my dear friends. We are just assuming a homogeneous function. Similarly, label of D is a function. When you send D, automatically it gives you the label. Similarly, best split is another function which takes D and features. D and features. So, and gives you the best feature which can be placed at that instance. So which can be, that is how now we have if the homogeneous of D, then we call it as label D. Otherwise, split. S is the best split. So now S split D into two subsets, into two, not two, and I subsets, DI, according to the literals of S. S lo unde literals nu batti DI subset ga cut out. If again DI is not infinity, then we call again the same tree. Tree I is equal to grow tree of DI comma F. Else TI is a leaf labeled with label of D. So this is what we have to do. We will be doing for construction of the feature tree. Now this algorithm uses divide and conquer. I think you all might be knowing, and we have used recursive algorithm. So that's why it automatically creates the tree. Now, so there are many examples, my dear friends. You can easily follow. Now I am just showing you, right? What are discrete values, what are continuous values, and what are discrete values with the binary split. Discrete values means if a feature has definite values like A1, A2, A3, A4, etc., or red, green, blue, purple, orange. If you or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if you take month will have only 1 to 12. Week name will have only 1 to 6. Some are 1 to 7, whatever, 0 to 6 or 1 to 7. So such things are called discrete values. Alagakunda continuous values. Continuous values means less than or equal, greater than or equal, or less than, so, or between, something like this. Ilanti range, not, this is a single value, my dear friend. This edge having a single value. This edge is also having a single value, but these edges not have single value, multiple values. Such one is called continuous values. And discrete values binary split. Discrete value binary split means, if A belongs to SA, then it is yes or no. Yes or no. That is what binary split means. Color belongs to red or green. If it is belongs to red and green, red or green, then it is yes. Otherwise, no. This is how tree construction basics are like this. Now, what do you mean by pure? Pure D and AMT. What do you mean by pure data? Pure data. See, a data can be divided into, a data is divided into DP1, DN1, positives, negatives. Positives, negatives. Data examples are divided into positive examples as well as negative examples. If positive examples, all predicted positives are equal to dp1, are equal to dp1, and estimated negatives అంటే estimated negatives are empty. అంటే positives లో మనం ప్రెడిక్ట్ చేసినటువంటి ఎన్ని, how many we predicted under DP actual presents, దీంట్లో మనం ఎన్ని ప్రెడిక్ట్ చేసాం కరెక్ట్ గా. If we predicted all and if we predicted empty negatives, then it is said to be pure అని అంటాము. Or DN1, see, or in other case DP is completely empty and DN1 అంటే నెగటివ్స్ అన్ని కూడా DN తోటి ఈక్వల్ అయినాయి అనుకో, such one is also called as pure, very important, pure. Next, now let us calculate what is called entropy. So an attribute selection, this is how an attribute selection. So in construction of a future tree, the main task is how do we select a feature for this. See, how do we select feature for root? After selection of root, how do we select the next branch? So this is what, this is only called as selection of attribute selection measures. This is called attribute selection measures. An attribute selection measure is a heuristic for selecting the splitting criterion that best separates the given data partition D of class labeled. So this is very important, my dear friends. See, an attribute selection measure is a heuristic, right? Attribute selection is also called as splitting rules. The attribute selection measures provides a ranking for each attribute. Prati attribute ki oka score istundi, oka ranking istundi. That attribute having the best score is chosen as the splitting attribute. The popular attribute selection measures are information gain ratio, and Gini index. Now let us see what do you mean by entropy. Entropy means IMP is represented as entropy of D1 is equal to minus sigma P1 log P1 minus P1 log P1, where P1 is the probability of each class. P1 is the probability of class 1. Similarly, P2 is the probability of class 2. For example, if D1 is having if D1 having two labels called as yes and no, then sigma, so P1, this becomes P1, this becomes P2, this becomes P2. Right. Now sigma, that means how many are there, what are the total number of S and no. So what is this total? Now P1, what is the probability of P1? S ki possibility P1 ki ayye avakasham enni unnai, that and log of P1. P1 means S ki, yes P1 lo enni unnai, negatives enni unnai. Negatives, this is positive, number of positives, and we also have to consider number of negatively predicted ones. Similarly here also, number of positives as well as number of negatives. So calculate చేసుకొని వాటిని అన్నిటిని యాడ్ చేస్తే వచ్చేదాన్ని IMP of DI అంటారు. Here PI is the probability of each label. Now Gini index, how do you define Gini index? Gini index is the, see, sigma 1 to m 2p. This is very important. 2p into pi into 1 minus pi. This is the probability, and this is how we calculate Gini index. Very important. Gini. Now weighted average, what do you mean by weighted average? IMP, entropy of D1 to DL is equal to sigma J is equal to 1 to L, number of labels. D, no, cardinality of D of J by cardinality of D into IMP of DJ. It gives you, DJ means sigma, sum of all these things, my dear friends. Sum of where J is from 1 to L. J is from 1 to L. IMP of D. This is also called as IMP of D. These are all the formulas. Let us see an example for this. Now, in the above example, if you see here, there are 5 positives and 5 negatives. Total, it is 10. There are 5 positives, 5 negatives. Total. What are 3, 4, 5? Length is equal to 3, 4, 5. What is 3? Positives and negatives count. What are 3? 3. Length is equal to 3. 1, 2. There are 2 positives. There are no negatives. So it is written as 2, 0. Let us just see 4. What is 4? Length is equal to 4. There is 1 positive case here and there are 2 negative case. 1, 2, 3. So it is written as 1, 3. 1, 3. This is how it is. If you see 5, see here there are 2 things. 1, 2 positives and 2 negatives. So we can write this as 2 positives and 2 negatives. As simple as this. Similarly, we can easily calculate Gill's S and few. So something. This is how we can calculate number of positives and number of right. Now we can calculate the entropy. Entropy. Entropy can easily be calculated like this. For example, if you take weak, how many are there? S key 5 plus 3, 8 possibilities are there. Total 10. Total 10, దీంట్లో 8 ఉన్నాయి. 8 లో 5 plus లో 3 minus. So 8 by 10, చూడండి 8 by 10 into minus 5 by 8 log 5 by 8 minus 3 by 8 log 3 by 8. This is the S part. This is S part, my dear friends. S part. What about the no part? No is pure, 0. There are 0 positives. See, అదే చెప్పుకున్నాం కదా, 0 positives 0 ఉంది. All negatives and the negatives లో కనుక్కుంటే that is called pure D అంటారు. So in that case it becomes 0. So our entropy would become, so if you calculate this, it comes to 0. Comes to 0.76. Similarly, we can easily calculate IMP of length. So this would be, IMP of length would be around 0.72. We can easily calculate, Andy. So this is having 3 labels. 3 labels అండి, 3, 4, 5. 3, 4, 5. సో కాబట్టి మనకేమొస్తాయి, 3 వస్తాయి అండి. 3 ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయో చూసుకోవాలి, 4 ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయో చూసుకోవాలి, 5 ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయో చూసుకొని ఈ ఫార్ములా కనుక వేస్తే we can easily get it as a 0.72. Similarly, if you see IMP of Gill, IMP of Gill would be similarly 0.39. 0.3. So back kattam and length kattam, gill kattam, and teeth. If you consider the teeth, it would be around. So yesterday we have seen all these things, and so just we are it is 0.97. So by looking at all these things, the Gill is the least one. Gill is the least one. We can go with the Gill. This is what we can go with Gill. So if we draw a tree just like this, this would be our Gill. This is our Gill. So Gill has no 2 things. One is no, and another one is yes. So this is yes. So, and this is no. Now, if you see here, Gil, no, yes, no, I think 5-1. So we can call this as, so ఇప్పుడు ఒకసారి చూస్తే మనకి గిల్కి ఎన్ని పాజిటివ్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఎన్ని నెగిటివ్స్ ఉన్నాయి? గిల్ has got no కి ఎన్ని negatives? 4 1. 4 minus 4. So we can write here it as, so 0 comma 0 plus comma 4 minus. Now we go to no part. What do you mean by no part here, my dear friends? No part. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఏమేమి అట్రిబ్యూట్స్ ఉన్నాయి? స్టిల్ లెంగ్త్ ఉంది, బేక్ ఉంది, అండ్ టీత్ ఉంది. And what are all the examples we have now? So గిల్ ఎస్ పెడితే ఏమేంటి పోయినాయి చూడండి. గిల్ ఎస్ దీంట్లో ఏం పాజిటివ్స్ ఏం పోలా, కానీ నెగిటివ్స్ చూడండి. గిల్ ఎస్ ఇది మొత్తం పోయింది, N1 పోయింది, N2 పోయింది, N3 పోయింది, N4 కూడా పోయింది. సో 4 gone. సో వీఆర్ లెఫ్ట్ విత్ ఓన్లీ, ఇక్కడ వచ్చేటప్పటికి టోటల్ 6 ఉన్నాయి. ఇక్కడికి పాజిటివ్స్ 5 పాజిటివ్లు, 1 నెగిటివ్. By using again the same formula like entropy with బస్ ఈ ఎగ్జాంపుల్, ఈ ట్రైనింగ్ డేటా తోటి మాత్రమే కనుక మనం చేస్తే మళ్ళీ ఇక్కడ ఈ మూడిట్లో నుండి ఒక అట్రిబ్యూట్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకోవచ్చు. ఈ మూడిట్లో నుంచి అగైన్ వీ కెన్ సెలెక్ట్ వన్ అట్రిబ్యూట్. ఆ అట్రిబ్యూట్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుని దాని లిటరల్స్ కనుక ఇచ్చుకుంటా పోతే దిస్ ఇస్ హౌ వీ కెన్ ఈజీలీ కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ ఏ feature tree. Feature tree, this is also called as decision tree, my dear friends. Decision tree. Now how do we calculate the Gini index, my dear friends? How do we calculate the Gini index? Gini index, right? Calculate Gini index for length. The formula is, as I already told you, see, sigma I is equal to 1 to m labels 2 into p 2 into p into 1 minus p. This is what it is. P into 1 minus p. For each label, my dear friends, for each label. Right. If you see here, length 3 తీసుకున్నాం అనుకోండి. 3 కి 2 plus 0 minus. So it is written as 2 plus 2 by 10 into this 2. Then, so p is 2 by 2. And then the second one is 0 by 2. 1 minus p. P into 1 minus p. P into 1 minus p. This is what it is. P into 1 minus p. This is p. And this is 1 minus p. And if you, this is about 3. And this is about 4. 4 కి చూడండి. 4 కి వచ్చేటప్పటికి 1 comma 3 minus ఉంది. కాబట్టి 4 by 10. Total 4 కాబట్టి 4 by 10 into 2. So 1 by 4 into 3 by 4. P into 1 minus p. This is 1, my dear friends. 1 p into 1 minus p. Similarly, if you see this 5, 2, so total 4. Kabatti 4 by 10. 10, what is 10 here? The total examples, number of examples, they are 10 into 2, 2 by 4, 2 by 4. That gives you 0.35. This is how we calculate Gini index. If you can calculate one example like this, it is easily, you can easily understand what this Gini index is and how we know how it is used. We will just come to that part also. Now if you talk about gills తీసుకుంటే yes it has 0.4, no it has 5.5 comma 1. 4 by 10 into 2 and this is pure కాబట్టి 0 అయిపోతుంది. అండ్ రెండవ పార్ట్కి వచ్చేటప్పటికి టోటల్ 6 ఉన్నాయి, అందుకని 6/10 వేసాం ఇంటూ 2, అండ్ ఇదేమో 5/6 ఇంటూ 1/6. P comma P into 1 minus P. This gives you 0.17. And if you take bake has got 5 plus 3, 8 ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి 8/10 రాసాం, 2 into 2, and దీంట్లో 5/8 into P, ఇది P, and this is 1 minus P. And this is the 0 కాబట్టి this is 2/10 into 0, this gives you 0.38. And teeth కనుక మీరు తీసుకుంటే 3 plus 4, 7, 7/10 into 2, 3/7 into 4/7 plus 3/10 into 2 into 2/3 into, that gives you 0.48. So by looking at all these 4 points, 4 values, 0.35, 0.17, 0.38 and 0.48, we can now find the best feature that is GIL, that will be placed in the beginning. This is what Gini index is. How to calculate Gini index? Right, some definition. What do you mean by information gain? Information gain ante emti? What do you mean by information gain? Information in assessing the quality of a feature. ఒక ఫీచర్ యొక్క క్వాలిటీని అసెస్ చేయడానికి స్ప్లిట్టింగ్ ఏ పేరెంట్ నోడ్ D, ఒక పేరెంట్ నోడ్ Dని మనం D1 to DL గా స్ప్లిట్ చేస్తున్నాం కాబట్టి we should know the purity gain. Purity gain అంటే gain ఎంత వచ్చింది? What is the gain? That is given as IMP of the entropy of D minus entropy of particular D1 or D2 or D3 or DL. This is called, if purity is measured by entropy, this is called information gain. Information gain is equal to IMP of D minus IMP of D1 etc. DL. This is called information gain and information gain antaru. Now let us see. Now this is the final tree. We can easily look at this. See now how ఎలా వచ్చింది? Now by just calculating the entropy, see here you can see best split class D comma F, data set D and set of features F. We will be getting, this is the tree, this is the output tree we are going to get. Features of I min is equal to 1, my dear friends, because what is I min? I min is nothing but a entropy. But you can see here all entropies are between 0 and 1. All entropies are between 0 to 1. Even Gini index also from 0 to 1. That's why we placed 1 in I minimum. Entropy minimum is 1. It can I minimum maximum bettesam for each feature of F. For each feature F of F, split D into D1 to DL according to the values of Vj of F. So divide చేస్తున్నాం, Dని subsets గా divide చేస్తున్నాం. We are defining D into D1, D2 etc. DL. If IMP of D1 etc. DL is less than I minimum, then I minimum is equal to EMP of ఏదో ఒకటే D1 to etc. DL, IMP of D1 DL. So ఇది రిపీట్ అవుతుంది ఎప్పుడు దాకా? This is how it gets repeated. Only this part, this if part gets repeated. This part will be repeated. So now F best is equal to F1 రాసేసుకుంటాం. So ఇది for loop మొత్తం అయిపోయిన తర్వాత it gives you the F best and we return F best feature. And that feature we will be taking as the root node or the branch parent etc. This is called best split class algorithm. So best split class algorithm.